Linear equation in two variables. Chapter 4. One of the easiest chapters of 9th standard. Very simple. All you have to do is learn how to draw graphs, which will also continue in 10th standard. So make sure what you are learning right now, you do keep inside up to 10th standard end. Alright. What do you mean by the word linear? Linear मतलब having x, y, z, a, b, c, whatever, but the power has to be 1. और जब पावर 1 होता है मतलब हम कुछ नहीं लिखते. So whatever the variable is, the power cannot be a square, cannot be a cube, it has to be ABCD. Equation in two variables means there cannot be x, y, z, a, b, c, d, everything. There can be x and y only. So look at this example of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is standard form of linear equation in two variables. Why is it called linear equation? Because the power of x is 1, the power of y is 1. And why is it in two variables? Because there are two variables. The first variable is x and the second variable is y. Then what is this ABC? ABCs are called coefficients. Polynomial जैसा 100% like polynomial. A is the coefficient of x, B is the coefficient of y, and C is coefficient of nothing. It's a constant. So A, B, C are the coefficients, x and y are the variables, and linear equation in two variable का standard format looks like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. For example, 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. The first small thing to learn is write each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This question can also be asked as convert the following equations in standard form. So ax plus by plus c is called the standard form, which you have to maintain here. Let's solve one by one the questions. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. Standard format tells us that first it should be the x term, ax. Therefore, we will write 2x plus 3y, and c, which is the number, should also be on the left side. 4.37 की जगह बदलो और वो सामने जाएगा. So minus 4.37 is equal to 0. Sum over. X minus 4 is equal to root 3y. First I want the x term, then I want the y term. तो y term को right side से left side लेके आओ, minus root 3y, and minus 4 will remain as it is on the left side, is equal to 0. 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. दूसरी तरफ उल्टा इक्वेशन लिख सकते हो. 0 is equal to पहले x minus 3y, and 4 changed its position, minus 4, और is equal to 0 जनरली पहले की जगह बाद में लिखो तो बेटर है. So 5x minus 3y is minus 4 is equal to 0. It looks better than this. And last, 2x is equal to y. x term, फिर y चाहिए तो y को लेके आओ left side, and because there is no other number, you will write plus 0. 2x minus y plus 0 is equal to 0. Now in each of these equations, which we have converted into standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, they can ask the coefficient. a b c की वैल्यू पूछ सकते हैं. क्या लिखोगे? a 2, b 3, c minus 4.37, a 1, b minus root 3, c minus 4, a 5, b minus 3, c minus 4, a 2, b minus 1, c 0. Again the same question. Convert the following into ax plus by plus c standard form. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. x is equal to minus 5 is the equation. x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. x था हमारे इक्वेशन में है, ऊपर के इक्वेशन में y है ही नहीं, बट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट रिक्वायर्स y, देयरफॉर वी डिड 0y. 0y का मतलब y है ही नहीं बट लिखा है, and minus 5 is in the opposite side, it will come on left side. That's how you create standard format. y is equal to 2, y है तो लिखा, x नहीं है 0x, so 0x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3, 2x plus 0y minus 3 is equal to 0. 5y is equal to 2, 5y x है ही नहीं, 0x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. That's called converting an equation into standard form. Very easy. And then they can ask you what is ABC. A1, B0, C5. A0, B1, C minus 2. A2, B0, C minus 3. A0, B5, C minus 2. Exercise 4.1. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Write a linear equation. This is basic mathematics. Let the cost of one notebook is equal to x. Let the cost of one pen is equal to y. तो अब x और y आ गए. Now read the question. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Is होता है ना, is, वहां पे हमेशा is equal to आता है, and is के लेफ्ट साइड पे लिखा है कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक इज x. ट्वाइस कॉस्ट ऑफ पेन मतलब 2y. दिस इज द इक्वेशन, बट you will not get full marks because this equation is not in standard format. कभी भी आंसर दे रहे हो that this is the linear equation in two variables, write x minus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0. It has to be in standard format. Sum over. Express the following linear equation in standard format and indicate the value of ABC. 2x plus, मैं ये वाला सम कर रहा हूँ, 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Second, x minus y upon 5 minus 10. It's already in standard form, by the way. Third, ये रहा. Third, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Wrong. Is equal to 6 nahi. We want standard format. 6 has to come on the left side. Minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So likewise you can convert all of them in standard form and write the values of ABC, A2, B3, C minus 3.5 bar. ये इंटरेस्टिंग सम है, इसको ध्यान से देखो. बाकी सब नॉर्मल सम्स है. दिस इज द ओनली वन विच इज important. A 1, C minus 10 and B is minus 1 by 5. See, y छोड़ के बाकी का नंबर minus 1 upon 5. 5 is in denominator, it will remain here in denominator. So be careful, this was a special case. Now, what is a solution of a linear equation? So every linear equation has infinite solutions. And how does a solution look? This is how solution looks. Bracket जिसमें x की वैल्यू और y की वैल्यू, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट आएगा. So any value of x and y which satisfies the equation is called the solution of the equation. For example, let me give you a solution. Let the solution be let the solution be let the equation be 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Now, how do you find the solution of this equation? There are infinite solutions. मैं पहला एक solution लिख के बताता हूँ. Let x is equal to 1, 2 x plus 3y is equal to 1. और x की जगह पे तुमने जो वैल्यू रख ली है वो रख देनी. 2 1 जा 2 plus 3y is equal to 1. 2 goes on the other side. 3y is equal to minus 1 and 3 gets divided. Y is equal to minus 1 by 3. Therefore, solution of equation is bracket x value comma y value. कौन सी x वैल्यू आई थी? 1 जो हमने ली थी, और y की वैल्यू minus 1 by 3. This is called finding solution. Not necessary that you have to take x as 1. You can take y as 1. Let y is equal to 1. तो इक्वेशन है 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, and in place of y you will write 1. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 1. 3 सामने चला जाएगा, minus 2, और 2 डिवाइड हो जाएगा. minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. You have successfully found out the solution. Solution में पहले x की वैल्यू फिर y की वैल्यू. x value is minus 1. Y value is 1. That's how you find solutions. How many solutions can you find? Infinite. For example, 22036041. ये इस इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशंस है कि नहीं, चेक कर से। कैसे चेक करने का? x2 लो और चेक करो कि y2 आता है कि नहीं। x2 प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 6, ये 2 सामने माइनस हो जाएगा, 2y इज इक्वल टू 4, ये 2 नीचे डिवाइड हो जाएगा, y इज इक्वल टू 2, x2 y2, yes it's a solution। 0 3 चेक करना है, x इज इक्वल टू 0, so x plus 2y means 0 plus 2y is equal to 6, 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 3, yes, yes, yes। So how do you check whether they are solution or not? Put the value of x, get the value of y, it should match। Now let's find two solutions for every equation, and I'm going to show you a trick of finding out solution super fast। एकदम फास्ट सॉल्यूशन निकालना है तो x को 0 लो और y को 0 लो, instantly you will get your answers। For example, 2x minus 4y is 12, let x is equal to 0, 2x minus 4y is equal to 12, जिसमें x की जगह 0 रख दो। If x is 0, then 2 into 0 is, if x is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, तो 2 zeros are 0, चला गया। So minus 4y is equal to 12, and if minus 4y is 12, y is 12 upon minus 4, minus 3, x 0 y minus 3। और दूसरा सॉल्यूशन के लिए y 0 लो, so 2x minus 4 into 0 is equal to 12, out of which 4 into 0 is gone, 2x is equal to 12 बचता है, and 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 by 2, x is equal to 6। Therefore the first solution is 0 comma minus 3, and the second solution is 6 comma 0। So easiest and fastest way to find two solutions is take x0 and take y0, बहुत जल्दी सम होगा। One more I will do, 8x plus 4y is equal to 40, let x is equal to 0। Now if x is 0 in the equation, what you get is 8 0 plus 4y is equal to 40, 8 into 0 is gone, it is 0, so 4y is equal to 40, 4 gets divided, y is equal to 10, therefore the first solution is 0 comma 10, let y is equal to 0, 8x plus 4y and y is 0 is equal to 40, 4 into 0 is gone, 8x is equal to 40, x is equal to 40 upon 8, 5, therefore the solution is 5 comma 0। Now this equation is a line on the graph, there are two parallel worlds which exist। The first world is the world of algebra, which is in front of you, the world of x, y, equation, ABC, etc. And the second world is the world of graphs. And how will you draw this line, show this equation in the world of graph is something like this. You will take a graph paper and draw x and y axis and keep it ready. तो तुम्हें ओरिजिनल ग्राफ पेपर लेना है. ग्राफ पेपर के बीच में दो एक्सिस 0 1 2 3 4, 0 -1 2 3 4, ऊपर 0 1 2 3 4, नीचे 0 -1 -2 -3 4 एंड पुट जस्ट 2 डॉट्स. द फर्स्ट डॉट जो हमने लेसन 3 में ऑलरेडी सीख लिया है, द फर्स्ट डॉट इज एट 0 10. 0 10 का डॉट यहां आएगा ये. एंड द सेकेंड डॉट इज 5 0 जो यहां पे आएगा. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज जॉइन इट. दिस इज द लाइन विच रिप्रेजेंट्स, उसको जितना हो सके उतना लंबा ड्रॉ करने का पूरे ग्राफ में. दिस इज द लाइन विच इज कॉल्ड 8x plus 4y is equal to 40. And this entire chapter is about drawing such lines. Entire chapter 4 या 5 मार्क का ग्राफ आएगा. बहुत इजी है. इक्वेशन में से 2 पॉइंट निकालो, 2 पॉइंट रखो, ड्रॉ द लाइन. Exercise 4.2. Which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has unique solution, only two solution, infinite solution. ये तो थियरी है. किसी भी इक्वेशन के इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं, 2 सॉल्यूशंस नहीं. यूनिक सॉल्यूशन मतलब एक नहीं. एवरी इक्वेशन, एवरी लाइन हैज इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस. राइट 4 सॉल्यूशन ईच फॉर द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन. अब 4 सॉल्यूशन लिखने हैं. इट्स सो इजी. ऑल यू हैव टू डू is choose 4 different values of x and find 4 different values of y corresponding to it. Meaning, let x is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. y is equal to 5. पहला solution मिल गया 1,5. Let x is equal to 0, जो सबसे easy होता है. So 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 7. y is equal to 7. Therefore solution is 0,7. फिर x is equal to 2 लो, x is equal to -1 लो, जो लेना है ले सकते हैं. सामने y की वैल्यू आएगी and then your final answer would look like this solution. Pi x plus y is 9. Pi is just a number. So take x is equal to 0. So pi into 0 plus y is equal to 9. Pi into 0 is 0. Y is equal to 9. The first solution is 0,9. फिर let लिखना, मैं थोड़ा आलसी हूं. x is equal to 1. Pi into 1 plus y is 9. y is equal to 9 minus pi. See, pi 1 जा pi और pi सामने चला गया, तो y 9 minus pi. Therefore the solution is 1,9 minus pi. Likewise, you have to find 4 solutions for each equation. Check whether these are solution of the equation or not. Equation दिया हुआ है, चेक करना है कि 0,2 इसका सॉल्यूशन है कि नहीं. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज पुट इन द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स वाई बोथ. पहले मैंने बोला था एक्स वैल्यू डाल के वाई करो, चेक करो. नहीं, एक्स और वाई की दोनों वैल्यू डाल दो और देखो क्या होता है. मीनिंग x minus 2y इज इक्वल टू 4. LHS लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है? x माइनस 2y. but x is 0, y is 2, x 0 minus y is 2, which is 0 minus 4, minus 4. LHS minus 4 आया, which is not equal to RHS. Therefore, इसका आंसर आएगा, therefore 0,2 is not a solution. फिर से एक बार 2,0 चेक करते हैं कि 2,0 इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन है कि नहीं. So first you will write the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. 2,0. So LHS x minus 2y. x की जगह पे 2 माइनस y की जगह पे 0. 2 आया. Is it equal to the right side? Not equal to right hand side. Therefore फिर से आंसर आएगा no. 2,0 is not a solution. ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है, तो रूट वाला सम ट्राई करते हैं. You have done number system, so you know how to do plus, minus, multiply, divide of roots. The equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. LHS x minus 2y. X root 2 minus 2 y 4 root 2. Root 2 minus 8 root 2 is minus 7 root 2. Is it equal to 4? No, it's not equal to 4, therefore not equal to RHS, therefore it is not a solution. समझ में आया? तो सॉल्यूशन है किधर? आंसर कभी यस आएगा कि नहीं? आएगा. सॉल्यूशन होगा तो यस आएगा. 4,0 ट्राई करते. Equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. X minus 2y is equal to 4. x की जगह LHS x की जगह पे 4 minus 2, y की जगह पे 0. 4 minus 0 is 4 and that is equal to RHS. और LHS RHS सेम है, therefore 4,0 is a solution of this equation. Find the value of k if x2 y1 is solution. x2 y1 ये पॉलिनोमियल जैसा है. याद करो पॉलिनोमियल. इज इट अ 0? सब्स्टिट्यूट एंड फाइंड आउट. इज इट अ फैक्टर? सब्स्टिट्यूट एंड फाइंड आउट. फाइंड के में भी सब्स्टिट्यूशन था, इसमें भी सब्स्टिट्यूशन है. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ के इफ 2,1 इज अ सोल्यूशन ऑफ 2x प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू k. 2x प्लस 3y k का ये एक सोल्यूशन है. इसका मतलब you can easily substitute 2 in place of x and substitute 1 in place of y. 2 x की जगह पे 2 प्लस 3 y की जगह पे 1 is k. 4 plus 3 1s are 3 is k. Final answer k is equal to 7. So all you need to do is substitute. And the final topic which I was waiting for, this entire chapter is all about understanding this topic, graph of linear equation in two variables. Graph matlab line, and line is made up of dots, and dots are nothing but solutions 0 3 2 2 4 1 6 0 etc. और ये सब सॉल्यूशंस कहाँ से आए? अज्यूम करके लेट x इज इक्वल टू 0, तो इक्वेशन इज 0 प्लस 2y is 6. 2 gets divided, y is equal to 3. 0 comma 3 is a solution which is written here. Let x is equal to 2. So 2, ये x की जगह पे 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. This 2 gets subtracted on the right side. 2y is equal to 4. This 2 gets divided. 4 by 2, 2. Therefore, x2, y2, 2 comma 2 is the solution which is written here. Similarly, 4, 1, 6, 0, etc. can be found out. And once you find all this, how to draw the graph is to make this kind of plus wala graph ready and then put in 2, 3, 4 डॉट्स. तुमको जितने मर्जी डॉट्स डालने डाल सकते हो, सब एक लाइन में आएंगे. 0 3 इज हियर, 2 2 इज हियर, 4 1 इज हियर, 6 0 is here, and you see they are already in a straight line. Join it and you score 4 marks. ये ज्वाइन करने पे 4 मार्क मिलेंगे. बट द 4 मार्क्स इज फॉर द एंटायर सम, मीनिंग टेबल ड्रॉ करने का 1 मार्क, कैलकुलेशन दिखाने का 1 मार्क और ग्राफ करेक्ट करने के 2 मार्क. Exercise 4.3, draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 4. Let x is equal to 0. So 0 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Let x is equal to 1. 1 plus y is equal to 4. 1 सामने minus, y is equal to 3. Let x is equal to 2. 2 plus y is equal to 4. 2 सामने minus, y is equal to 2. In a routine sum, 3 dots are enough. Not less, not more. So you have to have 3 points. उससे ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत नहीं है और उससे कम चलेंगे नहीं. So you have to create a table like this. In the table you write down x value here, y value here, and fill in 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2. And after you create the table, you have to prepare your graph. In a real graph paper and put the dots and join them. And to put the dots, where will you put it? 0 4. Chapter 3 में सीखा था 0 4, 1 3, 2 2, and therefore the straight line which joins all this is something like this. It's electronic pen, so it's not perfect, but तुम करोगे तो perfect आएगा. Make sure that your line has arrows here, and also make sure that you write the name of this line. What's the name of this line? The name of this line is x plus y is equal to 4. That will give you full marks. X plus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 2. Let x is equal to 1. 1 minus y is equal to 2. अब 1 minus 2 is y. दो जनों ने जगह बदली. Minus y went on to the right side, so it became positive, and 2 came on the left side, so it became negative. Minus 1 is equal to y. X is equal to 2. So 2 minus y is equal to 2. 2 cancel. Minus y is equal to 0. और 0 में नेगेटिव साइन नहीं होती है. y 0. x is equal to 3. x minus y 2. मतलब 3 minus y 2. Minus y सामने and 2 will come on the left side. Y is equal to 1. Remember, drawing the table is a must. एक बार फिर ट्राई करते हैं. रिमेंबर, ड्रॉइंग द टेबल इज अ मस्ट. लाइन 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 लाइन. 3 points. The 3 points or 3 solutions are 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 1. और एक बार तुम्हारा टेबल रेडी हो गया, then you will need the graph paper. This is the graph paper. Put in the dots. 1 minus 1, 2 0, 3 1. ऐसे लाइन आएगी. Draw the graph of y is equal to 3x. It's not necessary that you always choose your x. You can choose y also. But फिर भी, let's choose x here. Let x is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 7. Y is equal to 3 into 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0. x 5 है तो y is equal to 3 into 5. y is equal to 15. x 7 है, y is equal to 3 into 7. y is equal to 21. Therefore, the table x y, x 0, x 5, x 7, y 0, y 15, y 21. Everything correct, very good. But I want to show you a specific problem. And what's the problem? The problem is that तुम्हारे ग्राफ में y एक्सिस पे 15 और 21 है ही नहीं. सो x0 y0 इज दिस. बट उसके बाद 5, 15 और 7, 21 तुम कर ही नहीं सकते. तो ऐसे पॉइंट्स कैलकुलेट करो जो तुम्हारे ग्राफ के अंदर फिट होते हैं. यस, इफ योर ग्राफ हैज 15, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट इफ इट डजंट हैव 15, चेंज द वैल्यूज ऑफ x. कैसे? देखो, मैं x की वैल्यू चेंज करता हूं. 0, 5, 7 की जगह पे आई टेक x इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड x इज इक्वल टू -3. If x is 2, y is 3 into 2, 6. If x is -3, y is 3 into -3, -9, तो 2 6 and -3 -9, 2 6 -3 -9, 2 6 -3 -9. I have successfully got 3 points. All you have to do is join the 3 points and claim full marks. टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं जाना चाहिए. It should be full line. That's how you draw graphs. अब इस पे नजर डालो. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. You don't need to change the format. Textbook में है, but you don't need to change anything in the equation. Just assume some value of x. Best is 0. 3 is equal to 2 into 0 plus y. 2 into 0 तो गायब हो गया, y 3 मिल गया, एक पॉइंट मिल गया. Let x is equal to 1. तो 3 is equal to, पूरा इक्वेशन लिखने का, 2 into 1 plus y. 2 1 जा 2, 2 सामने माइनस हो जाएगा, y is equal to 1. And let x is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus y. 6 जब सामने माइनस होगा, -3 आएगा. Therefore, you have to now create the table with 3 dots, their values, and draw the graph. X, y, x0, y3, x1, y1, x3, y minus 3. Put the dots, draw the line. Easy. Give the equation of two lines passing through 2, 14. And how many more such lines are there and why? अब ये एक ट्रिक क्वेश्चन है. 214 तो मेरे ग्राफ पे जगह ही नहीं है. मैं तुमको 214 की जगह 24 करके बताता हूँ. सो 214 की जगह पे इफ इट वॉज 2, 4, they are asking give equation of two lines passing through 2, 4. But where is 2, 4 first of all? ये रहा 2, 4. अब ये पॉइंट के थ्रू कितनी लाइन पास होती है? According to Euclid's geometry, infinite lines are passing through this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Infinitely many lines are passing. I don't want infinite equations. I simply want equation of 2 lines or 4 lines passing through the equation. क्या करने का? पहला नंबर 2 है. Lines are x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to, क्या है x plus y? x plus y मतलब 2 plus 4, 6. x minus y is equal to, what is x minus y? 2 minus 4 minus 2. 2x plus y is equal to, randomly make your own equation, but answer should be calculated using 2 and 4. 2x plus y, 2 into 2, 4 plus 4, 8. 3x minus y, तो 3 2s are 6 minus 4, 2. 2 मांगे थे तुमने, 1 2 3 4 5 6 लाइन का इक्वेशन दे दिया. There is no method. You have to form direct equations like this, and all these are equations of line passing through this point 2, 4. अब 2, 4 की जगह पे 2, 14 पूछे तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? कुछ नहीं. स्टेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइंस पासिंग थ्रू 2,14. x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू, मतलब 2 प्लस 14 पहली लाइन, x माइनस वाई इज 2 माइनस 14 ये दूसरी लाइन, 2x प्लस वाई, 2 टू ज़ा 4 प्लस 14 18 ये तीसरी लाइन, खुद x इज इक्वल टू 2 इज अ लाइन and y is equal to 14 is also line. That's how you find out equations of lines passing through a particular point. And दूसरा question है, how many more such lines? Infinite. Why? It's a rule of geometry that infinite lines can pass through a single point. Same find k की जगह पे find a. 3 4 lies on the graph of this equation. Find a. 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Put the value of x and y. Y की वैल्यू है 4. 3 into 4 is equal to a. x की वैल्यू है 3 plus 7. 12 is equal to 3a प्लस 7. 7 सामने माइनस हो जाएगा. 5 इज इक्वल टू 3a. 3 डिवाइड होगा. फाइनल आंसर a इज 5/3. I have skipped 4 sums because I want to take those sums in the classroom. So as of now, don't worry. और ये आ गया लास्ट मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज 4.4. गिव ज्योमेट्रिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू 3 एज एन इक्वेशन इन 1 वेरिएबल एंड 2 वेरिएबल. टाइम पास समय. y इज इक्वल टू 3 का इक्वेशन बनाओ इन 1 वेरिएबल. 1 वेरिएबल मतलब सिर्फ y. कोई नंबर है तो उसके बाजू में होना चाहिए is equal to 0 over. This is called equation in 1 variable. Second है y is equal to 3 का form the equation in 2 variables. तो 2 variables में x तो है नहीं, 0x plus y minus 3 over. This is the same equation in 2 variables. फिर से 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 in 1 variable. तो 1 वेरिएबल में पहला x वेरिएबल फिर कांस्टेंट नंबर is equal to 0. It's already shown in 1 वेरिएबल. एंड 2 वेरिएबल में 2x plus 0y plus 9 is equal to 0. Chapter over. So what I suggest is I'm going to create your homework worksheet in such a way that every question relates to a particular question of textbook, and see the video 2 times. I'm sure you will get. It's an easy chapter. The last thing before I end the chapter I want to tell you is sometimes the equation is going to be really tough. अब वो really tough क्या है वो वाला इक्वेशन देखते हैं. थ्री एक्स प्लस 2y 5. तो दिखने में तो बहुत मासूम दिखता है. इसकी लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है तो टेबल चाहिए. टेबल के लिए सॉल्यूशन चाहिए. सॉल्यूशन के लिए लेट x is equal to 0. So 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 5. 3 into 0 gone. 2y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5/2. x is equal to 1, 3 into 1 plus 2y is 5. 2y is, अब ये 3 1 जा 3 सामने माइनस हो जाएगा, 2 बचेगा, एंड 2 by 2 1. x is equal to 2, 3 into 2 plus 2y is 5. 3 2s are 6 plus 2y is 5. 6 सामने माइनस हो जाएगा, y is minus 1 by 2. Now, if I sit and make a table of this data, the table is going to look something like this. Sorry about the crooked lines. टेबल में आएगा x, y, x 0, y 5 by 2, x 1, y 1, x 2, y minus 1 by 2. This is not done. ये नहीं चलेगा. क्यों? Because to put dots on the graph, you need round figures. You don't want fractions. 5 डिवाइड बाई 2 नहीं चलेगा, -1 by 2 नहीं चलेगा, राउंड फिगर चाहिए. तो और नंबर्स कैलकुलेट करो. टेक x3, तुमको -2 आंसर आए, एंड टेक x5, तुमको -x5, 15, -10 by 2, -5 आंसर आएगा. Now you have 3 good points. So the 3 points which you will plot are 1 1, 3 -2 and 5 -1. बाकी सबको रहने दो, बट इग्नोर देम. यूज 3 गुड पॉइंट्स. और 3 पॉइंट ढूंढने के लिए 10 पॉइंट कैलकुलेट करने पड़े तो भी कैलकुलेट करने का. 1 1, 3 -2, 5 -5, 1 1, 3 -2. ये ग्राफ बेकार है. One 1, 3 -2, 5 -5. You see how beautifully they all come in one line. If they don't come in one line, 2 types of problems. याद रखना, ये कोई नहीं बताएगा. If your dots are not coming in a single line, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 कैन बी इन दिस कैलकुलेशंस. चेक करो सारे पॉइंट, कहीं ना कहीं गलती की है. और अगर सारे कैलकुलेशंस करेक्ट है, टेबल करेक्ट है, तो तुमने खुद पॉइंट रखने में गलती कर दी. सो दीज आर द ओनली 2 मिस्टेक्स विच यू कैन डू. अदरवाइज ड्राइंग ग्राफ्स इज एन ईजी जॉब. थैंक यू.